This guy is really creative. He used a tyre to plant so many bitter melons. It's easy to plant and doesn't take up space. Next, I will share the method with you. First, put a cut snakeskin bag on the ground. Then put a tyre and draw a circular mark according to the tyre. Then cut it off with scissors. After cutting it off, put it on the tyre and fix it with a bookmark. Then use a soldering iron to make a small hole on the snakeskin bag. This will make it easier to drill later. Then turn the tyre over and cut off a circle of the tyre. Then you can move it to the ground. Then put a plastic bucket of soybean oil. Here you have to pay attention to the plastic bucket. Also use soldering iron to burn many small holes. Then you can fill a layer of soil into the tyre. After filling a layer of soil, pour in some peanuts. Then continue to fill the soil. Then you can remove the cultivated bitter melon seedlings. After removing the plastic cup, bury it in the soil. Next, you can put 3 bamboo slices on it. This will form a triangular frame, and there is a metal ring on top to fix it. Then tie 2 bamboo slices crosswise. Then you can put 3 different metal rings on the cross bamboo slices, and use a tie to fix it. At the same time, you need to add 2 bamboo slices, in order to increase the durability. After all tied up, pull a rope on each bitter melon. In this way, when the bitter melon seedlings grow, they can climb up along the rope. And the plastic bucket of soybean oil in the middle also needs to prepare some dried apricots and beer. Stir well and put it in the plastic bucket. The next step is to grow evenly. During this period, the dried apricots of the plastic bucket will rot. It will be used as the nutrition of bitter melon seedlings. After 12 days, it will grow on the frame. At this time, you have to remove the inner teeth of the front end of the bitter melon seedlings. Prevent it from delaying growth, so that more branches will grow. After 20 days, the small flowers will bloom. At this time, you need to add some agricultural organic fertilizer to the plastic bucket. Add some water from time to time. After 28 days, you can remove the male flowers and give them to the female flowers. This way you can get more fruit. After 35 days, you can spray some detergent to prevent insects. The work required to plant here is basically done. After 40 days, each bitter melon will be full. And it's full. The whole family can't finish it.